Hello everyone, I am Anita, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce. Today we are going to see about the topic is classification of labor caste from the subject is caste control techniques and audit. Let's see the topic is classifications of labor caste. Let's see what is it. The classification have two methods. First one is the direct and the second one is indirect. See, the direct labor refers to the wages paid to those workers who are directly engaged in the production process. These workers can be specially identified with the production or job. For the example, wages paid for the machine operation, these are all the example. Then the second one is indirect labor. It refers to the wages paid to workers who are not directly engaged in the production process but support to the production indirectly. That is the second one. Next we see the classifications by function. There is have three things. First one is manufacturing labor, administrative labor, then selling and distribution labor. First one is manufacturing labor. Consider to all the workers employed in the production department, whether the direct or indirect. This include machine operation, fixtures, help and supervisor. The second one is administrative labor. Refers to the employees engaged in the office administrative work. This includes managers, accountant, office clerk, securities, these are all. The third one is selling and distribution labor. These workers engaged in the marketing, selling and distribution activities. These are all the three types. Next one is classification by wage payment. What is mean by the wage payment? How we classify in the three categories. Let's see one by one. First one is time rate system. The wages are paid in the basis of time spent by the worker, such as per hour, per day or per month. This is called the time rate system. Then the second one is piece rate system. What is mean by the piece rate system? The wages are paid according to the number of units produced or jobs complete by the workers. This method ensures the high production but may consider the quality and supervisor. The third one is incentive wages system. What is the incentive wage system? The Healthy plan and Rowan plan, which common time and output method, offering bonus or efficiency. Based on this, we calculate in the method. Let's see. Next one is classification by variability. There is have three things. First one is fixed labor caste. Second one is variable labor caste. The third one is semi-variable labor caste. First, we see the fixed variable caste. Fixed caste. It refers to the wages, salaries that remain concern the level of output. It will be considered based on the output level. The second one is variable labor caste. It changes directly with the level of production. For the example, wages of machine operates will ensure when more units are produced. The third one is semi-variable caste. There is have two added things, fixed and variable elements. For the example, salary of the maintenance staff may be fixed up to certain number of hours. Next, see the classification by skill level. What is the skill levels? There is have three things. First one is skilled labor, second one is semi-skilled labor, the third one is unskilled labor. The skilled labors is nothing but it includes the worker with specific training and technical efforts. The second one is semi-skilled labor. It refers to the workers who process some level of training but not the limited skill. The third one is unskilled labor. It includes the worker with some special training and qualifications such as sweepers, helpers, these are all. Next we see the direct versus indirect labor. The direct labor is directly trained for works for the production. It is the prime caste. Indirect labor cannot be directly trained and they are not included in the production. These are all the overheads. Next we see the importance of labor caste classification and control. There is have a few things. First one is accurate product. Second one is caste control. Third one is budgeting. Then motivation. The last one is decision making. Strategic decision making. Thank you.